Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse back again with another video, and in this one I want to introduce our holiday maintenance program, tell you what it's about, who it's for, so that you can make an informed decision on is this something that might be right for you. All right, I've got a PowerPoint all queued up, so let's go to it. All right, so this is an introduction to our holiday maintenance program. We're going to talk about what the program is and who it is for. And we are brand new weight loss. All right, here we go. So the first thing, and I think this is obvious, but I'm going to make the statement that if we're talking about maintaining your weight maintenance, eating clean, eating healthy, that the holidays are very tough times. You've got a lot of parties, you've got get-togethers, different kinds of celebrations. Obviously, we have in the United States, Thanksgiving, a huge eating holiday, all the religious holidays that are this time of year, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, all that kind of stuff. So the holidays are tough times when you're trying to maintain your weight. So unfortunately, in our offices, we often see weight spikes during this period of the year. This month and a half to 2 months, November and December, we're seeing weight spikes. So this program was developed to help eliminate these weight spikes during the holiday season. I'm just being honest with you here. Most people, and this is including myself, we need some sort of structured plan, even if it's not as disciplined as we were maybe the previous 10 months of the year. We need some kind of plan if we don't want to go through, or we don't want to have a weight spike in November and December during the holiday season. So first, let's talk about who is this plan for? Who might this be right for? And really it comes down to two groups of people. Group number one is people that are in maintenance. So you've lost a significant amount of weight and you're just trying to maintain that weight loss, but you know in your own mind, maybe you've got a lot going on, a lot of different parties, a lot of get-togethers. You know that the holidays are going to be difficult times. So you go into the holidays already understanding that the holidays are going to be tough. This is Erica, one of our current clients. She's on maintenance now. She lost 67 pounds. She came into our office one day and slipped her wedding ring on, her engagement ring, and her watch, and was super excited because she was easily able to wear these items that she wasn't when she was bigger, or they were tight on her when she was bigger. So she does not want to have any weight spikes. She doesn't want a yo-yo diet. She wants to maintain. So someone like her, this might be appropriate for, again, if the holidays you know are going to be difficult. The second type of person who this might be for is the person that you're on a weight loss journey. You're on a current weight loss journey. Maybe you've only lost half the weight that you want to lose, or 3/4 of the weight. So you're currently on a weight loss journey. But again, you know that the holidays are going to be difficult and you choose to stabilize. What you don't want to do is sabotage yourself. You don't want to set yourself up for failure. You don't want to go into holidays and just try to grind through the program that's working for you. Maybe you just need to take a month and a half off and stabilize your weight and don't put any weight on, and then get back to whatever program was working for you in January. So that's the other type of person that this might be appropriate for. All right, so let's now talk about, or let's make the statement first, and I made it earlier, this is not for weight loss. This is not a weight loss program. Now, you might lose a little bit of weight doing this program during the holidays, which is an extra bonus, but that's not the intention. The intention is weight maintenance. So it is designed, this program was designed for people to help them not undo all the progress they did the previous 10 months. You don't want to undo all the good you did in 10 months in the 6 or 8 weeks of the holiday season. And it's for those who don't want to make a huge change January 1st, who don't want to do those, gimmicky New Year's resolutions on January 1. You're just going to kind of change everything about your eating habits or exercise or whatever. And to be honest, and I think everybody understands this, those never really work as intended. This is for weight maintenance exclusively. That's the intention of this program, to maintain during the holidays. All right, I think I've made that very clear. Now, this, we should emphasize, you should be able to maintain your weight during the holidays and enjoy holiday celebrations. You should be able to enjoy the treats and the food with your family. If we keep it at certain periods of time and we have some kind of structure, you should be able to easily maintain your weight and enjoy the holidays at the same time. These are not mutually exclusive. Very important. Okay, so let's talk about what the actual program entails. So what does this program entail? So it is an actual plan. So what we teach in our offices for people to maintain their weight once they've lost all of the weight they want to lose is 80-20. 80% of the time you're eating pretty clean, pretty healthy, and 20% of the time you can eat anything you want. So I don't care if this 20% is cake and ice cream. 20% of the food that you put in your mouth is cake and ice cream. If 80% of the time you're eating clean and healthy like we teach, you should be able to maintain your weight. But during the holidays, let's just be real about this. This 80-20 can easily kind of erode away. You know, you have a work get together and you go quote unquote off plan, and then Thanksgiving rolls around, you're off plan all that week, and you're like, well, to heck with it, I'll just wait until Christmas, and then Christmas rolls around, well, I'll just wait until New Year's, and then you just get less and less of this 80%, 20%, and maybe sometimes this is even flipped, and that's when you'll see that spike. So we need an actual plan, not just go do 80-20. So we have dedicated days for clean eating, dedicated days that you're going to eat healthy meals, but they're going to be tasty meals if you're eating out of our recipe guide. And you've got specific days that are days off. You've got specific days that you're not intentionally going to be eating clean meals, the things that we usually tell people to eat during reduction or the 80% of their maintenance. Thanksgiving would fall into that. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's, obviously. And we also have very dedicated days that you pick that are kind of party days, work parties or family get-togethers, which are completely off. Also with this program, you've got instructions on hydration, which is very, very important just to keep your metabolism running correctly, and fasting, which is a big part of all of our programs, but it's a little different during maintenance, so instructions on fasting as well. And the program also comes with certain supplements, which are very, very important because you're really pushing the limit of weight gain here. You're off a little bit more of our program than eating-wise than we would typically recommend. So these supplements can give you a safety net, again, kind of as insurance, so you don't put the weight back on during this 6 weeks or 8 week period of time. So the supplements that you get: 2 months worth of our green coffee bean extract. What we found in our offices, if you take green coffee bean extract correctly and you're trying to lose weight, it makes about 20% quicker or 20% easier. And if you're not trying to lose weight, it makes about 20% more difficult to put body fat back on. So very, very important if you're trying to do weight maintenance, especially if your diet's going to be a little more quote unquote off. 2 months worth of our stress support. Holidays are stressful times, even if it's not bad or negative stress. Sometimes it's just busy stress, but our stress support, very, very important. Emotional stress can upset your hormone balance, which can make you hold on to belly fat. So let's not allow that situation to cause us to have a weight spike or not be able to lose weight. We'll just give you our stress support for 2 months. 2 months worth of our multivitamin. Again, if you're not eating as nutritionally dense as we typically recommend, you'll get your nutrition through this multivitamin. And then we also include our appetite suppressant, our ultra diet drops, and this is kind of as needed. This is our catch-all supplement, but if it's Thanksgiving and you're really carb loading, your body's going to then start craving carbs. You're going to be using this appetite suppressant so that you don't have those cravings after you carb loaded, for instance, after Thanksgiving. So that's the basics of our holiday maintenance program. You can find it at brandnewweightloss.com. The D is missing here for whatever reason, so brandnewweightloss.com. I hope this helps you make an informed decision. Until next time, everybody, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll catch everyone in the next video.